Hello friends, today's video is about factorizing a quadratic equation by using completing the square method. Now in this method, the previous knowledge which we need is the two formulae a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the next one is a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this method requires these two formulae. Now depends upon the coefficient of x, the sign of the coefficient of x, whether we have to use a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Let us consider a quadratic equation x square plus 12x plus 35 is equal to 0. In this, our objective is to make the constant term a square number. Here 35 is not a square number. Coefficient of x square, here x square, the first term, it is a square number. So then how to make this a square number? So for this what we have to do is x square we will write first, the middle term. Here 12x, so coefficient of x has plus sign, so that gives us hint we have to use a plus b the whole square. If it was minus, then we will be using a minus b the whole square. So plus 12x, and then here I leave a gap, that I'll tell you why, and then plus 35 I'm going to transfer it to other side, which will become minus 35. Now here we have to identify a, b and c values. As you all know that a quadratic equation general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is 1. Now one more thing which I forgot to mention is we have to see that the coefficient of x square is 1. If it is not 1, for example, if we had something like 3x square plus 12x plus 35 equal to 0, then our first step would be dividing throughout this equation by the coefficient of x square, that is 3. So 3x square by 3 and divided by 3. So which will give us x square, because 3 and 3 cancel, 3 1s are 3 4s are 12x plus 35 by 3. So you don't have to worry even if this comes as fraction. So this we are going to transfer it to right hand side, and then we will follow the steps and you'll get values of x. So it is not wrong if you get answer in a rational number. So now here in the question which I have taken, there is no need to divide because already the coefficient of x square is 1. So a value is 1. B value, coefficient of x is 12. Now what we will do is, since I have left a gap here, we will take b by 2. Always take b by 2. B value is 12 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 6s are 12. As I told you earlier, even if it comes in fraction, no problem. So b by 2 value is 6. Now this 6 I am going to square it. So b by 2 square, b by 2 the whole square, which will be 6 square. I am going to add on both the sides of the equation. As you already know, to balance an equation, if we add something on LHS, we have to add on RHS too. So this I am going to continue here. X square plus 12x plus 6 square is equal to minus 35 plus 6 square. Correct? Now x square plus 12x plus 6 square is 36 is equal to minus 35 plus 36. Now as you all can see, 36 is a perfect square. That means I have completed the square over here. So how I have completed the square? This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Because a value is x, b value is 6. Now what will this reduce to? This is equal to a plus b the whole square, right? Now this will reduce to x plus 6 the whole square. If your question is where did 12x and this one 36 go, then please refer to this. I have written x square as a square plus 2ab plus 36. B square is 36. So b value is 6, a value is x, which is equal to x plus 6 the whole square is equal to 36 minus 35 will give us 1. Now I will take square root on both the sides. And we know whenever we take the square root, so here I'll take square root, here also square. So square and square root gets cancelled. So it will be x plus 6. And whenever square root is removed, we know here we have to take plus or minus 1. Okay. So x is equal to, since I need value of x, I'll take this term to right hand side, minus 6 plus or minus 1. So we will have two values of x. If x is equal to minus 6 plus 1 and then x is equal to minus 6 minus 1. So x will be equal to minus 5 and here x is equal to minus 7. So these are the two roots. And if they ask for the factors, so it will be x plus 5 into x plus 7. So this is completing the square, factorization of a quadratic equation by using completing the square method. Thank you.